unwanted materials such as stone and soak it overnight or for 8 hours. Afterwards, rinse it very well. Chop your onions and add pepper. Put it in a blender and add a lot of water. Blend to get your stuff. After it has blended very well, pour it into your cheesecloth or anything that is squeezable or very light. I used a net and squeeze out all the milk from the soya bean. You can blend the residue twice or 3 times to get enough milk. Get your lemon and squeeze out the lemon juice. We'll use it in the preparation of our soya kebab. Place your soya milk on the fire and allow it to boil. After it boils, you then sprinkle your lemon juice on top, and then you see that the foam will be coming out, and then there will be a separation between the water and then the soya. Finally, this is how it will look, a separation of the water and the soya. So you just allow it to cool a little bit. Pour it into your cheesecloth and then squeeze the water out. Place it in a bowl or a basket and put a heavy object on it. Allow the water to strain. So you can leave it overnight or you can leave it for hours or maybe 30 minutes. It depends on the retainment of the water. The longer you keep it, the better or the stronger it becomes. So afterward, cut your tofu into pieces and then it will be ready to be fried. So whilst you are cutting your tofu into chunks, prepare salt water and then place them in. This will remove the taste of the lemon from it. Now prepare your oil, and then whilst it's on the fire, you add a little spices to your tofu. Fry it and add your kebab pepper or anything, and you can combine it with a yogurt. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.